Hi everyone, this is Abe from your B351 instruction team, and I am signing on to explain a little bit about our grading policy for the homework assignments this semester. So on the programming assignments, we have an automatic grading tool that is able to grade and give you feedback within minutes. That means that it's feasible for you to do a number of revisions. And in order to grade those revisions, we're going to be breaking down your grade into buckets worth 20% each. Each bucket, you're going to get a higher score than the last. The first bucket is going to contain the best grade of your first 3 submissions intersected with the submissions that you did before the original due date. In other words, if you put in 5 submissions before the due date, then 3 of those will go into that top bucket of your grade. If you do 2 of them before the due date and 1 after the due date, then those 2 are going to count to that top bucket and that 1 is not going to count. The next bucket is going to be the intersection of your first 6 submissions and those that are done more than 1 week, less than 1 week after the due date. So in that case, for example, if you have 7 submissions before the first week after the due date, then we'll count 6 of those to that second bucket. If you have 4 submissions before the second due date and before the week after the due date and 3 after, then we're going to count those 4 submissions for that second bucket. And so forth, all the way to that last bucket of 20%. Now, one of the things that I really want you to notice is that each bucket's score is going to be strictly, or at least monotonically higher than the previous bucket's score. That's intentional. One of the most important things in programming and in life is to be comfortable doing revisions, and that's what we're hoping to encourage here. Your score will never, ever go down as a result of you submitting an additional revision. If you have any questions about our policy, feel free to bring them up over Piazza, and I or another member of the instructor team will be very happy to address them. Good luck.